Using all these satellites, SUPARCO has been scanning the Earth for the past 3 decades. And we have stored all this data with us, and using SUPARCO's big data capability with the BKK's vast network, we believe we complement each other, and together we can bring a digital revolution to Pakistan.
Collaboration between GIS and space technologies is essential to enable data-driven decision-making for the Pakistani farming community. This provides the farmers with actionable insights and near real-time data about their crop health, weather patterns, and the essential parameters in the soil. This helps reduce the yield losses and makes farming more sustainable and profitable.
It was our dream to know every inch of Pakistan's farming land, to know the crops and the yield. Thus, BaKhabar Kissan is excited for the first public-private partnership with SUPARCO.
The vision is clear. We want to develop a sustainable and technology-driven agriculture system in Pakistan that contributes to the GDP growth, enhance rural livelihood, and ensure food security in Pakistan.
Collaboration on GIS and space technology in agriculture is essential for improving precision farming resource optimization. By leveraging satellite imagery and remote sensing, agriculture can become more efficient, sustainable, and resilient to climate change and natural disasters. With a mission to revolutionize agriculture through technology, this partnership bridges the gap between traditional farming and modern digital solutions.